So I created a video explaining how SHA has automated the means testing, and I had some people comment on the video that SHA has removed the monthly payments. And that means that you need to pay for a full year for you to be covered by SHA. And by that time, I didn't know that that was true until I checked my own account. And I noticed that they have changed something. They have removed the monthly payment on the dashboard, and they only have the premium payment. And when I checked on the insurance cover, I realized that for the 2 months I had already paid for SHA, it's no longer there. Okay, they are telling me that my SHA contribution is 6,000 and the SHA balance that I should pay is 6,000. That means the 1,000 I had paid, which I showed you in the previous video, is not there. And this made me to think that, SHA is doing something. That means the contributions that you made before that rule was given will no longer reflect. And my question is, where is this money going? Maybe SHA should answer us. Where are you taking this money? And the president, of course, announced and said, we are introducing Lipa, is it Lipa Mdogo Mdogo? Ama Lipa Polepole, something like that. And I tried that. And the only option you are given is Hustler Fund. And that got me thinking, okay, so they want us to forcefully register for Hustler Fund. And what is Hustler Fund? Is a platform that gives you loans. So meaning you have to borrow for you to pay Lipa Polepole. If you're thinking like I do, what they are trying to do is they are lobbying for people to register for Hustler Fund. Is this a game they are playing? Maybe this is the question that, the government should answer. Are you trying to say that Kenyans must register for Hustler Fund and must borrow? And after borrowing, then they can pay Lipa Polepole? And you've denied them the chance to pay monthly? And now you want us to pay premium? I'm left with so many questions than answers. I don't know how you feel about this new rule. Maybe you should drop me a comment. I'll be glad to read it. But personally, I feel this is a game that the government should stop. Get back the monthly payments for SHA to enable at least that person down there to be able to pay. Not everyone can afford to pay for the full year. Not at all. Give them the chance to pay monthly. And if you want to introduce Lipa Polepole, then don't give us the option for Hustler Fund. Allow us to pay maybe for 3 months, and then we can be able to be covered by SHA. Otherwise, forcing us to pay for the full premium is unfair to the normal mwananchi. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be pushed to more people. If you love my general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click this side of the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.